Hi guys, this is your boy Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com, and today it's another how-to video, and we'll be focusing on one issue that every single riker has out there, and it's related to the fuel overflow holes. So in today's video, what you'll find out is what type of damage you can expect when you will be not fixing it, 2, how to fix it, and 3, where you can get all needed tools. The rule for 2022 videos: no BS around, straight to the point. So, enough of this, let's get started. All right, now, where is the trouble? And the trouble is actually coming from this hose that it's being super short, wrongly positioned by BRP. It's a fuel overflow hose. So every time you're actually overfilling your riker, and it's not a mistake, but it's happening a lot because of 2 main reasons. One, the gas tank is small, and many people are trying to put as much fuel as possible, which I really don't recommend to doing it, so because you can create in the long run more damage than actually it will help you. 2, it's because of different gas stations and different pistols and different fuel flow that's being used. Anyway, so what is the trouble? Of course, the real trouble is when you overfill your gas tank, the fuel starts to leak through that pipe that is being positioned super wrongly and being super short. So, and have a look at this footage. I have it from BLR Tuning, and actually it's a Bill's video, and I'm doing an installation of his product that you can get on MartinTheVlogger.com. I'm not talking here about 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks time, but I'm talking here about like long run, like 1 year, 2 years. When you will be overfilling your gas tank, the fuel starts to leak on your top A-arm, bottom A-arm, some cables, and that can create a loss of your color on the frame, on A-arms, and also rust in the long run. So that's something I would definitely like to avoid. Same importance for me is that the fuel will not get to fender, the plastics on my wrap, and these mud flaps as well. I don't have to explain you why. Fuel is being super aggressive, and let's do the installation and try to avoid every single trouble of these. It's actually very simple. Have a look. So of course the solution is very obvious. We will need to extend that pipe, and what you will need, everything is in the box basically. You need the correct connector size and diameter, good quality of the pipe or tube, and several zip ties. So the installation is dump-proof. What you'll just need to remember is that you want your new pipe facing like back of your bike so the fuel can flow behind you, and just find the overflow hole, plug this in. Try to do it in the way that you can see it. Now just push it back to the bike so you don't see any of this, let's say, metal or gold part, so it's nice and black. Put the pipe through here so it goes, you know, behind the side panel so you can hide it nicely. Now, of course, you don't need ramp. It's all possible to do just on a street. And this is how the pipe looks. Almost you cannot see it from the side panel. And the last thing what you will need to do, if you go like under the bike, you need to search for the frame part that has, you know, tiny hole here. And naturally the pipe will go in the correct way. And what you would like to do, you would like to position it this way. So I'll use this hole to use the zip tie, and the pipe will be like this. Don't over tight the zip ties because you want the fuel to be leaking out. I told you it's a super easy fix, but it will prevent a lot of possible damage that can happen to your riker in the long run. And I can tell you, every single of those 4 rikers that I'm having for my tour and rental agency will have this fix. By the way, Inge, if you are watching, thank you very much for the tip. It was very awesome. And guys, tip for ya, go to the MartinTheVlogger.com. On desktop, there is a register section. Register to my website. Not only that you will see what I'm working on, and sometimes the videos I think they are cool, but two, every month, I'm not spamming people, but every month I'm trying to send, you know, some vouchers and presents and whatever. So it's good to be updated. Now guys, enough of this. I need to get moving with this Bloody Mary project that you can see also on MartinTheVlogger.com. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, dislike, do whatever. But most importantly, remember, always have fun and visit MartinTheVlogger.com.